A magical adventure, my dream destination. Hello, my young friends. Today, I want to take you on a magical journey to a place I would love to visit. Close your eyes and imagine a world filled with wonder and excitement. Join me as I share my dream destination. The place I would love to visit is called the Enchanting Land. It is a land of pure magic and breathtaking beauty. In this land, everything is extraordinary, from the colorful flowers to the sparkling rivers. It's a place where dreams come true and adventures never end. In the Enchanting Land, there are majestic castles that look like they came straight out of a fairy tale. They have tall towers, grand halls, and beautiful gardens. I would love to explore these castles, climb to the top of the towers, and imagine myself as a brave knight or a graceful princess. In this magical land, animals can talk. Imagine having conversations with wise owls, playful rabbits, and friendly squirrels. They would tell us stories, share their wisdom, and guide us on exciting quests. It would be like having a whole new group of friends who can understand our thoughts and feelings. One of the most amazing things about the Enchanting Land is that it has floating islands in the sky. These islands are made of fluffy clouds and colorful balloons. It would be incredible to jump from one island to another, feel the soft clouds beneath my feet, and enjoy the breathtaking view from up high. In this enchanted land, there are magical creatures that roam freely. Imagine encountering unicorns with their shimmering horns, playful pixies with their mischievous tricks, and graceful mermaids swimming in crystal clear waters. These magical creatures would fill our hearts with joy and wonder. The Enchanting Land is a place where adventure and exploration never end. I would love to embark on thrilling quests, solve riddles, and discover hidden treasures. From mysterious caves to secret gardens, there are endless places to explore and uncover the wonders of this magical world. The Enchanting Land is a place that exists only in my imagination, but it fills my heart with excitement and wonder. It's a world where castles reach the sky, animals talk, and magical creatures roam freely. Although I may not be able to visit this land in reality, I can always let my imagination take me on incredible adventures. So, my young friends, let your imagination soar, dream big, and create your own magical worlds. Remember, the power of imagination can take you anywhere you want to go. Exploring my favorite type of music. Let's groove and have fun. Music is a beautiful language that everyone can understand and enjoy. It has the power to make us feel happy, excited, or even calm. In this essay, we will explore my favorite type of music. So, are you ready to embark on a musical adventure? Let's dive in. What is music? Music is a combination of sounds created by different instruments and voices. It can be fast or slow, loud or soft, and can make us want to dance or sing along. People all around the world listen to different types of music, each with its own unique style and rhythm. 1. Pop music. One of my favorite types of music is pop music. Pop music is fun and catchy, and it often makes you want to dance. It has simple melodies and often talks about love, friendship, and having a good time. Popular pop artists include Taylor Swift, Justin Bieber, and Ariana Grande. Their songs are played on the radio and become hits that everyone loves. 2. Classical music. Classical music is another type that I enjoy. It is relaxing and calming, perfect for quiet moments or background music while reading or doing homework. Composers like Mozart, Bach, and Beethoven created classical music a long time ago, but their beautiful melodies and harmonies are still popular today. 3. Country music. Country music tells stories about life, love, and nature. It often features instruments like guitars, banjos, and fiddles. Artists like Dolly Parton and Johnny Cash are famous for their country songs. This type of music can make you feel like you're strolling through the countryside or sitting by a campfire. 4. Rock music. Rock music is energetic and makes you want to move to the beat. It features electric guitars, drums, and powerful singing. Famous rock bands like the Beatles and Queen have created timeless songs that people still enjoy today. Rock music can make you feel strong and ready to conquer the world. Music is a universal language that brings people together, no matter their age. Whether it's pop, classical, country, or rock, each type of music has its own special charm. Exploring different genres of music can broaden our horizons and introduce us to new melodies and rhythms. So, let's keep on listening, singing, and dancing to the beautiful tunes that fill our hearts with joy and happiness. Unlocking the secrets of successful university study. Embarking on a university journey is an exciting and transformative experience. It is a time of growth, learning, and intellectual exploration. To make the most of this opportunity, it is essential to develop effective study skills and strategies. In this essay, we will delve into the secrets of studying well at university. From time management and active learning to effective note-taking and seeking support, we will explore the key elements that contribute to academic success. 1. Time management. One of the most crucial secrets to successful university study is effective time management. With the demands of coursework, assignments, and extracurricular activities, it is essential to plan and allocate time wisely. Creating a schedule, setting realistic goals, and breaking tasks into manageable chunks can help prioritize and stay organized. Time management also involves avoiding procrastination, utilizing study breaks effectively, and maintaining a healthy work-life balance. 2. Active learning. Active learning goes beyond passive absorption of information. It involves engaging with the material, seeking understanding, and applying knowledge. Techniques such as participating in class discussions, asking questions, and engaging in group activities promote active learning. Additionally, employing techniques like concept mapping, summarizing, and teaching others can deepen understanding and enhance retention. 3. Effective note-taking. Taking effective notes is essential for retaining information and organizing thoughts. Utilizing techniques such as Cornell notes, mind mapping, or outlining can help capture key points, summarize information, and make connections. Active listening, focusing on main ideas, and using abbreviations or symbols are also helpful strategies. Reviewing and revising notes regularly aids in reinforcing learning and preparing for exams. 4. Research and critical thinking. University study involves engaging in research and developing critical thinking skills. Conducting thorough research, utilizing diverse sources, and critically evaluating information contribute to a well-rounded understanding of a subject. Analyzing arguments, questioning assumptions, and developing independent thought are essential components of critical thinking. Engaging in debates, participating in seminars, and seeking out different perspectives further enhance critical thinking abilities. 5. Effective study techniques. Developing effective study techniques can greatly enhance learning outcomes. Techniques such as active recall, spaced repetition, and self-quizzing aid in long-term retention. Breaking study sessions into focused intervals, utilizing visual aids, and creating mnemonic devices can enhance memory and understanding. Experimenting with various techniques and finding what works best for individual learning styles is key. 6. Seeking support. Recognizing the importance of seeking support is vital for academic success. University resources such as libraries, academic advisors, writing centers, and tutoring services provide valuable assistance. Building connections with professors, seeking clarification during office hours, and engaging with peers through study groups or discussion forums fosters a supportive learning environment. Taking care of one's mental and physical well-being is also crucial, as it contributes to overall success. Studying well at university is a multifaceted endeavor that requires a combination of effective strategies, discipline, and a growth mindset. By implementing the secrets unveiled in this essay, time management, active learning, effective note-taking, research and critical thinking, effective study techniques, and seeking support, students can unlock their full potential and thrive in their academic pursuits. Remember, success is not solely measured by grades, but also by the personal growth and intellectual development experienced throughout the university journey. Embrace the secrets of successful study and embark on a fulfilling and rewarding path towards education and self-discovery. Let's keep our planet clean. The importance of recycling. Hello, my young friends. Today, I want to talk to you about something very important: recycling. Recycling is like magic that helps us take care of our planet. It's a way to make old things new again and protect the earth. So, let's learn about the importance of recycling together. What is recycling? Recycling is a process where we turn used materials into new ones. Instead of throwing things away, we collect them and give them a new life. By recycling, we can save energy, reduce pollution, and keep our planet clean. When we recycle, we save our natural resources. Resources like trees, water, and metal are used to make things we use every day, like paper, bottles, and cans. By recycling these items, we can use fewer resources and protect our environment. When we recycle, we reduce the amount of waste that goes into landfills. Landfills are big places where trash is buried in the ground. When we recycle, we make less trash, which means there is more space in landfills for things that can't be recycled. This keeps our land clean and safe. Recycling helps protect animals and nature. When we throw things away, they can end up in oceans, rivers, and forests. This can harm animals and plants that live there. By recycling, we can make sure that our waste doesn't harm the beautiful creatures and places in nature. Recycling helps us save energy. It takes a lot of energy to make new things from scratch. But when we recycle, we use less energy because we don't have to start from the beginning. This helps reduce pollution and keep our air clean. The best part about recycling is that everyone can make a difference. Even kids like you can help. You can recycle paper, plastic bottles, and cans at home or at school. You can also encourage your family and friends to recycle. Remember, every little bit counts, and together, we can make a big impact on our planet. Recycling is like a superhero power that we all have. It helps us protect our planet, save natural resources, reduce waste, and keep our environment clean. By recycling, we show that we care about our Earth and want to make it a better place for ourselves and future generations. So, my young friends, let's embrace the magic of recycling and do our part to create a cleaner, greener world. Remember, every small act of recycling makes a big difference, so let's keep our planet clean together.